Let us see the working of telescopic shock absorber. In normal condition, the inner tube or inner cylinder is fully filled with oil, and the outer tube, it is also known as reservoir tube or reservoir cylinder, it is partially filled. Some airspace will be there in the outer tube. Now, what is the working? The shock absorber works along with the suspension spring. Now, when the vehicle is going through a hump or bump, the suspension system will move upward direction. That means the axle moves in upward direction. Since our shock absorber is connected with the axle or with the suspension, the bottom A of the shock absorber will move upward. You can see in the figure, if the bottom A moves upward direction, the piston will come to the downward direction. This time, what will happen in the valves? You can see in the piston valve, the pressure inside the inner cylinder below the piston will increase. So you can see the red marked portion. The pressure inside the inner cylinder below the piston will increase. So the check valve will open and pressurized fluid will go to the upper portion of the inner cylinder. So a resistance will be occurred during this transfer of fluid. At the same time, you can see at the bottom side, the pressure below the bottom side of the check valve is less. So the fluid from the pressurized area is also goes to the bottom side and goes to the reservoir tube. Like this, the working is going on. Once more, when the vehicle goes through a hump, the axle I or the shock absorber I will move upward direction. So the fluid pressure inside the inner cylinder will increase. So the fluid from the pressurized portion will go through the check valve in these two directions, and the flow of the oil will continue. Now, when the hump is over, the shock absorber I will return back to its initial position. This time, the pressure inside the inner cylinder above the piston will increase. This time, the valve will open to this direction and the oil from the upper portion will goes to the lower portion through the piston valve. At the same time, due to the movement of piston to upward direction, a vacuum will be created in this area. So the fluid from or oil from reservoir will comes to the vacuum chamber by opening the bottom check valve. So the transfer of oil is happened.